Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the course for AutoCAD 2D, which has duration of around 1 month approximate, which is flexible as per the student and also the trainer, that is me. And the course fee for group training is rupees 3,000 only. For personal training, it's rupees 5,000. Okay. So before proceeding further, let me introduce myself. Myself, Anmol Bansal. I'm a BTech civil engineer. I passed out my BTech in 2016, and after that, I have worked in multiple sectors. I have 6+ years of experience, and now I'm in a zone of training my students for multiple softwares of respective fields. So, a part of it is AutoCAD for 2D. I prefer the AutoCAD to be the best software for 2D detailing, 2D planning from scratch to the student. There are many advanced softwares also like Revit and Tekla for fabrications and all, but the basic software is AutoCAD. So today we are going to understand what is the course and what we are going to study in this course and many more things. Okay, so let's start. So initially, what is the introduction for AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D modeling software. Yes, AutoCAD is a 2D and also 3D modeling software, but we are taking the part for 2D modeling. Okay, it is developed by the Autodesk company. Autodesk is a very big company, and a part of it is AutoCAD. Autodesk is making many more products like Revit and other products also. SolidWorks is also Autodesk product, but we are going to study today about AutoCAD. Okay, it is a US based company, and it is widely used in 2D and 3D drawings making. So, first of all, let's start with the workspace explanation. The AutoCAD screen looks this way. So you can see on the screen, this is the AutoCAD welcome screen. In the AutoCAD welcome screen, you have many options. Like first is the ribbon toolbar. This is the complete ribbon toolbar that we are going to study in detail during the course. Okay. It has also similar options like in Microsoft Office, like file saving, save as, that we will study in detail. And after that, we will discuss every panel, whatever is explained here, that is required to make our drawing. Okay, so workspace settings. Initially, we will go with the explanation of workspace. What is workspace? All the toolbars. What are they? What are these toolbars? What is their functions? And then we are going to study how to set up the workspace, like how to set up the display of workspace, how to set up the units of workspace. So all these we are going to study in the first phase. After that, once we are done with the setups for workspace and all, next we will move to the draw tools explanation. Okay, draw tools explanation means the first tool in the AutoCAD. Everything starts with a drawing. Drawing a line, drawing a circle, drawing a point, drawing a rectangle, drawing a polyline, ellipse, etc. etc. So first of all, we will study how to draw simple shapes without dimension. After that, we will continue towards the dimension phase. Like first we'll draw a line using a line command. After that, we will use the line command but with dimension, like for 6 feet line what we need to do, like for a 3 meter line what we need to do. So this way we will study all the drawing tools. In the first part we will study without dimension, in the second part we will study with dimension. Okay, after the completion of drawing tools, we will move towards the modified tools. Modification. You all are aware of what the modification meaning goes. Like in a notebook, when we draw a simple sketch and by mistake we have cut it or we have made a different mark and we don't need that. So in that case, what we use a rubber. While drawing with a pencil, we use a rubber and we rub it. So that is modification of a drawing. In the similar way, we have many modification tools in AutoCAD that we can use to modify our drawing in a good sense. Like if you want to move a drawing, if you want to rotate the drawing, if you want to trim the extra line. So we have many options in the modification toolbar, as you can see on the screen. All these we will use. I will train you about these. I will show you how to use them, and accordingly, I'll give you some activities to use these commands. Okay. So here you can see we have move, we have copy, we have stretch, rotate, mirror, scale. All these I will make you understand by using some examples, and after that I will assign you some activities so that you can perform all these commands in your activity to make it clear to you. Okay. Next we will move to the text and dimensions. Now my drawing is incomplete without text. My drawing is incomplete without dimensions. So whatever we are drawing, either we are drawing a circle, an arc, an ellipse, or a rectangle, or drawing of some gate, or some doors, windows, or some elevation. At the end, we need to give the text and dimension. That is a very important part for someone to analyze what the drawing needs to say. Okay. So next part is layers and properties. After text and dimensions, we are going to study about the layers and properties. Layers are very important part in a drawing. This defines the drawing, like whatever is included in the drawing, like walls, columns, doors, windows, or if you go for a mechanical drawing, there are bolts, there are nuts, there are many spaces where we need to show that this place is for this place is for so for labeling every property, for isolating properties from each other, like a wall, we give different layer to wall, we give different layer to doors, windows, etc. So that will make our work easy to modify each and every component of a plan. Okay. For example, if you want to modify the walls only, then we can directly select only the walls from a complete congested plan. If you want to modify the doors only, we can select only the doors. We can change the properties, etc. So layers and properties are known for that. Next, we are going to study about the properties tab. So layers and properties are different thing, and properties tab is a different thing. Properties tab define the properties of particular component or particular line that makes that component, like the color of the line, type of the line, weight of the line, etc. Okay, for each component, either line, rectangle, circle, whatever is included in the drawing, we can change its color, name, size, etc using the properties tab. There is one more option for properties tab in the dimension setup manager, where we can change the properties for text also, for symbols and arrows also, and etc. We will study everything in detail during the course. Okay. Next, we will move to the measurement and the edit tab. Edit tab and measurement tab that shows how to measure a particular plan, how to get out the area for a plan, how to get the distance of that plan. And also we can make groups, we can make the blocks. Like we want to isolate something in a, like we have a furniture plan, that is sofa, chairs, tables, and two small stools also, and we want to make a complete group of that and isolate it at somewhere else so that we can copy it to different place. So in that situation, we need to make the group of that complete furniture. Okay. And similarly, the measure command is used to get out the area of a particular plan. Like we want to check what is the area for our floor plan. Like we want to check what is the built up area, what is the clear area. So measure tab is used for that purpose. Copy paste, you all are aware, in Microsoft Word also, in normal copy paste is used in Paint also. That is a very basic command, copy and paste, that is used in AutoCAD also for similar function. Okay, so in measure and edits, we will do the grouping, we will measure the things, and we will copy paste. We will edit the drawing. Basically, we will edit the drawing according to our use. Okay. Next, we will go to the Express tools. Now, this is a part of AutoCAD, and this is a very important part that is used after making a drawing. Like after making a drawing, we need to give some symbols, we need to edit the properties, we need to check the properties. So these Express tools are advanced tools after the making of the drawing. You can see on the screen many things are clearly mentioned here, like how to align, how to list the properties, etc., etc. So this is a tool to modify the drawings at the completion stage. Like after completion, what we want to do, we need to modify the text, we need to move, copy, rotate, similar things. It is also a part of modification tool, but it has a different tab, that is Express tool. Express means to express it, like to show it, the what kind of drawing is it. You have an annotation tab also that you can use with the leader symbol and give a section detail, or you can label it etc. Okay, so Express tool is this. And after that, we will also study about the Design Center. See, Design Center is a library of AutoCAD that comes with the AutoCAD. Like you can also make the furnitures after you study the draw tools, after you know how to dimension them, after you know the standard dimensions to be used, you can also make any kind of furniture. But AutoCAD is having its own library, its own design center that has many blocks that is related to plumbing, electricity, and also related to household furnitures, like you can see on the screen, bed, chair. These components are easily available from web also. Like you can directly download the AutoCAD blocks also. But this is the pre-installed library inside the AutoCAD. Okay, so you can directly click and export them to your drawing. Next, after learning everything, after getting trained about every draw tool, modification tool, dimension tool, etc., we will go with our first basic floor that you can see on the screen. This is an example plan shown in this presentation, but we can go with some different plan also. So this way we will start our basic plan that will include the door, windows, and also the column parts, and also the text part, also the dimension part. This is a basic floor plan. Simultaneously, while working on this plan, I will introduce you with the basic introduction of Vastu. That what things are need to be considered while planning for Vastu. If we want a building to be planned just for Vastu only, then how we can plan it. Okay. Then I will make you understand about the legend table. Legend table is nothing but the symbols used in your drawings, explanation of those symbols. Like many symbols are used in the drawing. Like if you have shown a circle in the drawing, what is the meaning of that circle? Because a drawing is a drawing contain many things like dimensions, text, color, doors, windows, etc., etc., furnitures, and all. So this is not possible for everyone to write everything in the drawing. For that, we need symbols and we need the explanation of symbols. So the explanation of those symbols is given in the legend table. Similarly, we cannot write the dimension for every door and every window inside the drawing. So that's why we symbolize them from D1, D2, D3, W1, W2, W3, and we make a different schedule for it in which the dimension for door and window and also their sill height, their lintel height, everything is mentioned. So I'll make you understand how to make a door window schedule. After that, if when we have completed a drawing, we have made the legend table, we have made the door window schedule, then we will place it in a title block. Title block contains information about the job, information about the client, information about the designer, and also the revision numbers of the drawings, etc. etc. So that we will make. Okay, after completing all this, now we need to print the drawing. So we need the print setup manager. So I'll make you understand how to print a drawing, and we will start with making a PDF using the print PDF option. And after doing all this, I'll show you how to set up the layout. As you can see on the screen, when you will explore the AutoCAD, here something is written model. I'll zoom it. Model, layout 1, layout 2. So this is nothing the layout 1. Like we have many drawings in single plan. We have electrical drawing, we have plumbing drawing, we have ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and we cannot make identify where my drawing is. We need to find out from 100 drawings a single drawing. So in that case, we need layouts. What we do is we choose one drawing and put it in a layout. Like this is the electrical drawing. In another layout, we go for this is the plumbing. So in this way, we make the layouts, and we can easily print the layouts at the time of we if we need to give a printout for a plumbing drawing. We don't need to go and explore and complete 100 drawings. We can directly go to the layout for the plumbing drawing and print. So this is the layout setup. Okay. After that, we'll go with our finished plan from basic to little bit advanced, that will be having layers, that will be having colors, etc. As you can see on the screen. Once we are finished with this, we'll go for a fully furnished plan. As you can see in the screen, there is a beautiful command for this, that is a super hatch command. We will use the super hatch tool to give the exact actual texture to the floor, to bed, to a sofa, table, etc. etc. for the lawn, to the garden area. As you can see in the drawing part, this way we can give the textures to the plan. Okay, and then we can again make the PDF and we can submit it to the client. So you can easily identify that, yeah, this plan is something looking so graceful and in an advanced way. Yeah, this is a 2D output plan. So we will work on this plan also. Additional to this, if you want to make such plan in Photoshop Render also, then we can make a complete course for that also. But initially we'll start with the 2D. If you I'll get inquiries about the Photoshop 3D plan also, that will also look similar like this way, but that will be more graceful, that will be more actual realistic, because actual images we are using in this. Okay, so if I'll get some inquiries, then we'll go with that also. Next, after completing the course, after completing the finished plan, we'll come on a spot that, yeah, now we can draw a complete plan. After that, I'll explain you some more information like importing AutoCAD blocks, how to import it from the web, how to download it from the web, and conversion of the files, exporting to the files in the DXF format, and also the X reference command. What is X reference command? This I will explain. Okay, so benefits or use of AutoCAD is improved quality over hand drafting, as you have seen in my explanation, how easily we can draft a beautiful drawing of our house, of doors, of windows, whatever is required. It is more accurate, as from the hand, if we'll go on, it will take many years to make complete 100 drawing set for a single project. But in AutoCAD, we can do it in few days or few months. Okay. So it is time saving also, it is more accurate also. Thank you for having a view to my presentation. I hope you understand what is my course requirement, what is the detailed explanation about what we are going to do in the course. And if any queries, any doubts, you can text me, you can contact me. My contact number is on the screen, and this is a mail ID. If you are unable to contact me, you can also mail me. Okay, thank you.